Per, who are the French Monkeys and what is it exactly that you guys do?
Well, we are a custom shop based in Copenhagen, in Denmark, and we do like rebirth of old and newer bikes, redesign and rebuilding bikes into, what do you say, of course, custom motorcycles, but also something that are, achievable for everyone.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because it is a trend now. Then, Nicholas, you have created a beautiful SR 400 named the Gibbon Slap.
Yeah, that's correct.
If I say it correctly. Within Yamaha's yard build concept. Shall we have a look at it and then please explain the highlights? This is your product. Can you explain a little bit the highlights and what it is?
Yeah, well, we removed most of the body parts of the Yamaha and we replaced it with a new seat, new fenders, new headlights, new handlebars, exhaust systems, and footrest. And we put an old SR500 drum brakes in the front to make it a more vintage look.
And how much time went into customizing this?
I would say around 100 hours plus.
100 hours, wow. And do you get a lot of clients from all over the world?
Yeah, we have a lot of clients from most of Europe, but also the rest of the world, but yeah, mainly Europe.
And you guys do it together?
Yeah, the two of us do everything together, and we have a couple of friends helping out, yeah.
Great. Well, there's another project that you guys brought with you, and that is the GRX 1300. And you have actually just finished this product this week, right?
Yeah, we just finished it last week actually to get it ready for, for you guys. So I hope you will enjoy it and have a look at it. We made a XJR last year actually, they called the Monkey Fist version 1, the extreme version. And this is more like a kit version, which will hopefully be, parts will be ready for sale during the next year. So we can create your own, custom bike actually. That's the plan.
So we actually have sort of the premiere right here behind us.
Yeah, we do actually, yeah.
Okay, so let's ask our beautiful ladies to help us with... Wow. So, what is the base and what is the idea?
Well, the idea was to kind of copy our first version from last year, which I hope some of you have seen, and we would do it less radical, but try to adopt some of the design elements from the first version. So what we tried to do was not to touch anything about the engine, the intake system and the electrics, and just do like only bolt-on parts to change the look of the bike, also with the colors. So it's like simply basic changes. It's like the handlebar, a new front fender, some engine covers, new exhausts, and shocks. And of course you can see the spoke wheels as well, and the seat are much different from the standard bike.
And how much hours approximately went into this project?
Well, this one is actually not so bad because we didn't go as radical to this as the first one. So I would guess we used around 50, 60 hours on the the real work, but then you have all the creative thinking in between. So, but the base hours would be around 50 hours to do a job like this.
Amazing! It looks like as if it comes straight out of a movie. So for both the SR400 and the XJR 1300, count that the special parts will be available in the market made by French Monkeys. so that each the SR400 and the XGR 1300 owner can be inspired to like start their own projects actually. Great. Thank you very much for coming to Holland.
You're
Can I
welcome.
ask you guys for a big applause for the French
Okay,
monkeys? Thank you.